In this video, you'll learn how to join your team using Notion. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to access and collaborate within your team's Notion workspace effectively. Begin by opening Google Chrome on your computer. It is essential to use a compatible browser, as this ensures that all features of Notion function correctly. If you do not have Google Chrome installed, consider downloading it from the official website. Next, navigate to the Notion website by entering notion.so in the address bar. Once the page loads, you should see the Notion homepage. If you already have an account, you will need to log in using your credentials. Look for the login button in the top right corner of the screen. After logging in, locate the page that you want to share with your team. This could be a project page, a document, or any other workspace you have created. Click on the title of the page and it will open for you to view or edit. Once the page is open, find and click on the share button. This button is usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Upon clicking, a sharing menu will appear, allowing you to adjust the access settings for your page. You will see a drop-down menu labeled General Access. Click on this menu to view different sharing options. Initially, it may be set to Can View, which means only viewing permissions are granted to anyone with the link. Next, select Edit, Suggest and Comment from the drop-down. This option allows anyone with the link to make edits, suggestions, and comments on your page. After making this selection, the changes will be saved automatically, and you will see a confirmation message indicating the new permissions. Then you may want to change the settings to Can Edit. This allows users to have full editing rights. If you prefer to restrict access, you can revert to Can View or choose a more limited option based on your team's needs. After adjusting the permissions, you can choose to share the link with your team. Click on the Copy Link option to copy the link to your clipboard. This link can now be shared via email or messaging apps to invite team members to collaborate. If you want to add specific team members directly, type their email addresses into the designated field. This will send them an invitation to join the page. Ensure that the emails entered are correct to avoid any issues with access. That concludes the process of joining your team on Notion. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.